In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a logo from a Klaviyo email. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar menu. You'll find an option labeled Content. Go ahead and click on that. After that, select Templates to open up all your saved email layouts. This is where you can access all the templates you've created or saved previously. Now that you're in the Templates section, you'll want to find the specific template you want to modify. Click on it to open it inside the email editor. This will give you full access to customize your email as you see fit. The next step is to locate the logo or header block at the top of your email layout. Simply click on that block. When you've selected it correctly, it will highlight and you'll notice a small block menu appears, confirming that you've got it right. Now, here comes the crucial part, removing the logo. Within the block's menu, you will see a trash icon that's often labeled as the delete option. Go ahead and click that trash icon. A pop-up prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your decision to delete the block. Just click Delete Block here to confirm, and voila, the logo is now removed from your template. After you've deleted the logo block, I recommend taking a quick moment to preview the top of your email. Sometimes, removing a header block can shift the visual balance or margins of the sections that are below it. You want to make sure everything looks just right and flows well. Once you've checked the layout and are happy with how everything looks, the next step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top right corner of the editor. Click on that before you exit, ensuring your updated logo-free template is secured and ready for your next campaign or automation flow. And just like that, you've successfully removed a logo from your Klaviyo email. Whether you want a cleaner look or simply don't want a logo in this particular email, this process makes it a breeze. That wraps up our tutorial today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks about Klaviyo and email marketing. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.